Hey guys, Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. I am going to freeze dry a soup mixture today, and this mixture will be used for vegetable broth, for vegetable soup, for chicken noodle soup, or for some stews. So I'm going to show you what I got going on in here. I think this is going to be a really great idea, and I think it's going to help us be a little bit more efficient in our soup and stew making in the coming months, in the winter months that are coming up pretty quick. So let's go check out what I'm doing. Okay guys, so here's where I'm at, and here's my thought process. So I have celery, I have carrots, I have garlic, and I have onions, and then I have some squash fresh from our garden. So I have 5 trays of vegetables, and I'm not really worried about the garlic and onions infusing with my carrots and celery, because any recipe that I use for chicken noodle soup or vegetable soup or cabbage soup will have all of these items in it. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. I'm pretty excited to see how this turns out. I'm not sure if I'm going to mix it like in the same bag, like maybe carrots and celery and onions and garlic all in the same bag, so I make my own little soup and stew mixture, or if I'm going to do it separate. I'm going to ponder that while this is freeze drying and make a determination. If you guys have any ideas or any suggestions, let me know, because I'd be eager to hear what you guys think. So let's get this in the freeze dryer. So it's all loaded, and let's just think about this for a minute. So I did 2 full stalks, or 2 full heads of celery. I did probably about 15 carrots. I did 2 full sweet onions, quite a few cloves of garlic, as you saw, and 2 fresh squash. So if I'm able to succeed at dehydrating this and putting it either in a soup mix together or separately, then my job is almost done as far as making soups. And again, that could go for vegetable soup, for chicken noodle soup, for a cabbage soup, which I'm gonna make tomorrow. I'm gonna make a huge pot of cabbage soup, because that freezes up really good, and I did do a video on that, go check it out. But anyway, this is probably gonna take about 40 to 44 hours, maybe 48, because we wanna make sure everything is thoroughly dried. But I've just made myself a very nice vegetable medley for all my soups and stews that are coming up, and I'll continue to do this because we want to make sure we have plenty of soup makings for the upcoming winter season. So stay tuned. I'm going to put the harvest link below, the harvest link, freeze dryer link below, and be sure and go check that out, guys, if you're even halfway interested. Again, we think that it's going to pay for itself in a year. It's an expense, but we think that it's really going to help us, especially as our garden continues to prosper and come in. So we'll check back with you on this and see how everything did, and we'll talk more about how I package it up. So be sure and comment below and let me know how you guys think I should package it, even if it's as a soup mix with all of them together and making like 5 or 6 separate packs, or if you think I need to do it separately. So stay tuned. Take care. God bless. We'll be in touch. Hit that subscribe button.